Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, September 6, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton it will be cloudy with a high of 91 degrees and a low of 72 degrees.
Hey, at least it's getting warmer.
Yeah.
Today's lunch options are barbecue chicken sandwich, popcorn chicken salad with buffalo ranch, or cheese and pepperoni pizza. I can't wait. I can't wait for lunch.
Today in history, in 1620, the Pilgrims sailed from Plymouth, England, on the Mayflower to settle in what is now Plymouth, Massachusetts.
Bet you didn't know, the British call a mosquito a mozzie. Look, it's a mozzie.
Weird but true, a man was stung mid-flight by a scorpion that had hid away in an overhead bin.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Evan, what's the one thing you will get on your birthday every year, guaranteed?
I don't know, what?
1 year older.
What? Really? My mind is blown! That's all for today. Let's say her motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Evan.
And I'm Everett.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, 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 bum.